In this video, we're going to show you how to use the PDB plugin in BioRender and how to layer the ribbon structure to create some depth in your illustration. To start, open up the PDB plugin in the More menu, then click the blue PDB Retrieve button. If you already know the PDB you're looking for, type in the ID, for example, 6VW1. Next, click Load Protein. From here, you can rotate and recolor this protein as needed. There are some beautiful shading and lighting options available. We also have a few different imaging modalities to choose from, like quick surface, ball and stick, and more. So you can pick whichever style suits your illustration. I'll start with the cartoon model and rotate it to the angle I like. For color and style, I can color by molecule, by chain, by sequence, or uniformly across the whole structure. There are also a few predetermined color palettes in the dropdown if you'd rather use one of those. I'm going to go with per molecule here. From here, adjust the border style and shading style and choose between cartoon and flat. Saving it as a new icon will load it directly onto the canvas. Now, for this example, I'm not going to rescale because the next step depends on matching this shape up exactly, 1-to-1. This is the concept of layering a ribbon model on top of a spacefill model to give the protein some depth. To do that, I'll reopen the last PDB shape I created by double-clicking it. It will automatically rotate to the same angle I used for the previous icon. That way, whatever shape and size I create next will line up perfectly on top of or behind that first molecule. I'll save it as a new icon rather than overwriting the one I already made. Now you'll see we have two separate icons. If I drag this one out, it should match up exactly 1-to-1 with the first molecule. I'll nudge it slightly larger so when I send it to the back, it lines up cleanly. I'll select that background layer and lower its transparency. That creates a glass-like, voluminous effect around the ribbon model underneath. You can see how nicely the two line up, and I can resize the whole thing to my liking. Finally, I can select both layers and group them together, turning them into a single custom icon. Thank you for watching. Give this tool a try today.